I get asked all the time, well, what's the secret behind this? What causes the water to look like it's defying gravity? I can give you that in one highly technical term. It's magic. We invested ourselves in the three driving themes of the Expo: sustainability, mobility, and opportunity. And all three come together in this water feature. I mean, sustainability, the reuse of water. In fact, our fire in the center, which will just be magnificent for people, there's no carbon put into the atmosphere. That's hydrogen. And water, what is more sustainable than the repeated recycled use of water? The technology that went into this feature to make water behave like it does. I mean, water's going to do things here that people haven't seen it done before. That's opportunity.